Let's be candid and let's be honest about how Atlas is. How would you like to describe it?
I would say all rounder because a good location, a good social life, good faculty. Our faculty is so supportive when we have questions, they're always answered, and it's just a safe space. Mentally, physically, emotionally, and nice cafeterias. I'm really absolutely grateful that I'm in Atlas, and I would recommend anyone to join Atlas.
I feel it's the one stop institution for everything. Here, it is more than value added. It's about also life skills, soft skills that are also inculcated.
Is it worth the investment? This was not scripted. This was nothing that,
Yeah.
we didn't even plan. Guys, honestly saying, there was no idea that we'll be doing it.
Yeah.
We just met in a canteen and, we requested them, can you just do a small interview? And this is what it turned out to be. Hi guys, so today I'll be talking to Atlas student, an honest review. Let's be candid and let's be honest about how Atlas is, and especially we're talking about BBA course as these are BBA second year students. So guys, over to you. When it comes to Atlas, how would you like to describe it?
If I were given one word to describe it, I would say all rounder. Because in one building, I am getting everything that was a part of my criteria: a good location, a good social life, good faculty, and nice cafeterias. I am getting all of it, and I'm getting more than I wanted. So I am really grateful that I am an Atlas and with the choices that I made, because any decision that I have to make, given we are in the second years, second
Yeah.
years are the years we need to decide our majors.
True.
And I have taken what I like to think is the toughest one, which is finance and business analytics.
Whoa.
Now, Atlas is one of the very few, or maybe the only college that offers business analytics as a degree in Bombay, at least.
Yeah.
So it's something very new to us. And again, it's hard for us to learn because we are not used to coding and AI just yet. But again, our faculty is so supportive when we have questions, they're always answered. And it's just a safe space, mentally, physically, emotionally. So to sum it up, I'm really absolutely grateful that I'm in Atlas, and I would recommend anyone to join Atlas.
Wow, that's nice. I mean,
So I feel it's the one stop institution for everything. It's also about personality development. It's about harnessing and honing your skills when required. It's also about platform. It's also about opportunity. It's also about self discovery. And mainly, it's about the future prospects that you hold. So I think the amalgamation of this makes Atlas mainly the student friendliness and how adaptable they are to the new trends that are coming into the market.
Yeah.
That's the most important according to for me as a student, because if I'm not learning something that is value added for me in the industry tomorrow,
True.
when I have to enter, the education is not really that impactful. But whereas here, it is more than value added. It's about also life skills, soft skills that are also inculcated. And I think that amalgamation for me is just working perfectly,
Perfect.
along with opportunities and everything that comes along.
Wow. That's about, the overall Atlas. But when I speak about the fun part, like, student life, how is it? How will you describe it?
We have 8 to 9 clubs,
Oh.
and I'm sure you must have seen a lot of clubs in different colleges, but
Yeah.
here these are specific to what each
You
and
guys
every
need.
person would want, right? It's a one again. There are 8, but for students' interest, it's a stop solution for them in particular places. We have a Finterest to futurepreneurs, that's for entrepreneurship and budding entrepreneurs, to an NSS, which is for social service, and an Inc. to for the corporate cup to get in touch with the corporates and stuff. More so, we have a High Flyers to deal with international relations and how you can work with international universities and corporates that come along. And yeah, there are so many more things that could really work out for us here. And it's so much fun because there are non-stop events, there are activities, there are master classes, there are seminars. There's so much to look forward to. When I come to college, it's not just have to go into a room and
Yeah.
study. It's also
And-
there's so much more to do.
Now, coming to the next thing is when you were in 12th and selecting a college, what were the inhibitions that you had? Because see, all the students will be having, and you also were, and how you made that decision, and what were the question? Because all the 12th standard kid definitely would like to know कि आप लोगों ने decision कैसे लिया?
So, just a little backstory for context reasons only. I actually did the IB for 11th and 12th. So my narrowhead decision was to go to the US or anywhere abroad to study. But due to unforeseen circumstances, we had to cut down that decision. So my next best bet was personally, I was against Indian colleges because I don't know how the system works,
Yeah.
etc., etc. But then when I heard about ACLIS, I was like, this is something I can still explore,
Relate.
but I still want to go to the US. And I remember very vividly to this day, 23rd January 2023. I came here with my mom and dad. The second my car entered gate 2, I was like, you know what?
This is
I'm coming here.
wow.
I'm sorry I hate it, but I am coming here. I'm close to you, and I'm grateful since that I am here.
Wow.
As mentioned by Harsh, respectfully, student body is truly at its essence what makes ACLIS. Our clubs are what drives ACLIS. It's what drives our students. You will definitely see our students being very enthusiastic and very hardworking for our clubs. It's because we have that space to focus on academics and student body and our clubs. Now, given the positions that we have, believe it or not, we do have a lot of work because we have a lot of people under us, we have a lot of people above us. So that takes up a lot of time. But again, the faculty, the students, everyone is so understanding and welcoming and supportive of it. I personally, again, I don't know the Indian education that well outside, but in ACLIS, we are very well supported about it and we are very well understood and we get that recognition. And that is something that I am truly in awe of.
Wow. I mean, if she's saying that it's at par at international studies, hats off, because you have studied IB. So you will know that how it works. And in India, we have a restriction on ICSE board ho gaya, IB board
Exactly.
ho gaya, then go back to state board.
Yeah.
You have no option. And
Yeah.
then in Mumbai, as you both are from Mumbai, you have major players, you know, 2 colleges in private sector.
Mhm.
And still we have different reviews and everything. So I can understand the struggle, but beautifully put across. I mean,
I actually did my IGCSE up till the 10th. Then I was in a junior college that really changed my perspective for education in India. I was not really sure that is that the right thing for me because is it maxing out
Worth
my
it.
potential?
Yeah.
Is it pushing me to a place that yes, I can harness all the skills that I have or at least most of it? So I was very unsure. I was looking at universities abroad. I was looking at some colleges in Bombay, but whichever I saw, couple of the top ones in and around Bombay, South Bombay, I didn't really feel that the nurturing of a student's talent, a student's intellect, a student's potential was fully tapped into. Then I got to know through a couple of friends of mine who are seniors that I think you should just come and see ACLIS, have a look at how it is. And I came for a visit with my parents and we went to the campus. I took some time. I gave the examination here. I was still back at junior college, so I taken an early admission here. And since the time I have come, I have not complained. Being very honest, because I did not expect as much, but what it delivered was 10 to 15 times more than what I ever thought of as well. So
Yeah.
it's also about that.
So, yeah, that's what I'm saying. After talking to you guys, I'm so sure about giving the review of the college. And somebody asked me, ma'am, is it college worth? Should I do BBA? Should I select it? Is it worth the ROI? Because there are a lot of questions. But looking at, you know, the students being so confident and truly trusting the brand, as you know, this was not scripted. This was nothing that,
Yeah, of course.
you know, we didn't even plan. Guys, honestly saying, there was no idea that we'll be doing it.
Yeah.
We just met in a canteen and, you know, we requested them, can you just do a small interview talking about your college? And this is what it turned out to be. So guys, coming to, you know, your decision that you're really happy, is there any drawback, anything that you feel? Because at times, you know, there are few opinions on the campus. But I say that if you don't set your expectation right, because it's a completely different institute and in Mumbai, आप campus कहाँ से लाओगे? So, you know, those things are there. So anything that you guys also face or you guys come across the questions?
Me personally, my only drawback, and this might sound a little stupid, but it's the traffic. Because only
yes.
our second years, our timings are different compared to the first years and the third years. Our timings are 12:15 to 4:45.
Okay.
That last 4:45, I know like 90% of students, they just try to run home or get in
Yeah,
Uber or get their cars. That's the traffic is an issue because it's hard to get out of here and it's hard to get Uber here.
Yeah.
That is my only drawback. Other than that, I personally don't have anything. Again, as he also said, I had like minimal expectations and they're way par surpassed.
True.
So-
So, genuine issue of Mumbai. I think
yeah.
everywhere we are struggling.
Exactly.
And then at LBS, everyone knows it. The
Everyone.
moment you say LBS, oh, dude, you're stuck.
Exactly.
That
So
is
it's
what it
not like a jaw dropping or a completely new issue. But yeah, traffic is one thing.
I agree with that. I think traffic is the only drawback, and not the a major one, a slight drawback that I feel it's there, but nothing in major as such.
Yeah. Coming to, few questions that generically Google ask, or, sometimes students also have it. Very casual question. Is it only the rich people studying in Atlas? So how would you, answer that?
I would not agree with that statement personally because, first of all, Atlas is such an environment that we don't classify people like that. It's very sure and it's very set in stone that we don't classify people.
Yeah.
It's the same 100, 200 people that you see in cafeteria. You eat with them and then you go back to your class. And once your class are done, you go back home. So I will not particularly agree with that statement. I know people who are outstation. I know someone from Kuwait, I think.
Yeah.
So-
Lot of them from UAE come back to India.
Yeah, so I think if you just look at our location, maybe because we are around BKC, maybe near the business hub of Mumbai, I think that is
Yeah.
why they think of it like that. But I don't agree with that statement.
I don't know about rich, but I can say we're rich in inclusivity, we're rich in diversification, we're rich in culture, we're rich in education, we're also rich in thought processes, we're rich in our environment, our overall college culture and well-being and surroundings. So I don't know about classifying rich or poor, but of course we're rich in the environment that we study, and that is
Wow.
pleasant, and that is what is most important.
That's a beautiful answer, I would say. And when he said it's an overall development, the first thing is communication. So, whenever such question comes in, people are like certainly putting it in a negative bracket. But how I classify it in terms of, see, there are parents who can't afford this. That's why the question comes in, is it worth the investment? As she said, it was answered in the first question itself, and she said, I was planning for US, but I'm getting same thing back home where I'm slashing down to 20% of the amount I'm spending on my education in our country with a global exposure. So that has been answered. I think that's something that you can take loan for 75 lakhs, but then you have a question for this. So that's like something.
I just want to add on to another point you said, which says ROI. I think wherever you go, it's about your hard work equally that you will get your ROI on. But here is one thing that I can guarantee for Atlas.
The
You
support.
put 20%, they will put 40. You put 50, they will put 70. The more you put in, the more they will put in as well. So
Wow.
it's about that relationship. So it's 100% if you come with the mindset of developing, growing, studying, and harnessing whatever you want to, Atlas will give that to you. It's again about your inclination.
True.
A university or a place cannot
Definitely.
be liable for the ROI. It's you who's
I would 100% agree on this, that if you do it, then only it is possible, because college आपको support कर सकता है, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. So guys, thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you, and I'm
Thank you.
sure that your inputs and your answers would definitely help a lot of students to take their decision.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Thank you
Love
so
you.
much.